This backyard was designed and built by Gappsi in St. James, New York in 2010. It's now 2023, 13 years later. Jeb is just having to come by and visit, and this project is just as nice as the day it was installed. We built a vinyl pool with concrete walls, freeform with the bench and the D-band. We used a mocha full nose travertine coping. The patio was installed with the Classico Travertine, just a lighter version of the mocha travertine. Raised patio was built with Hanover Chapel wall for the steps, risers, the wall structure, and also the caps for the wall. We built a raised patio area with the same travertine, sitting wall, and a radius section for the dining table. We installed a water feature sheeted sand wall, self-contained, facing the backyard door in the center, and an outdoor kitchen with a wolf grill and Lynx bar sink and an outdoor refrigerator. Backyard is kept immaculate with the beautiful natural backdrop setting of evergreens and meticulous landscape. This is the latest videotaped project built by Gappsi 13 years earlier.